County in northeastern Illinois, northern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, southern Lake County in northwestern Indiana, until 11 p.m. At 10:21 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Grant Park, or near Moments, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Lowell, Moments, Moose Lawn, Grant Park, Shelby, Schneider, Thayer, and some other resorts. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. for northeastern Illinois and northwestern Indiana. A severe